Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we simplify complex legal topics to help you understand the world better. In today's episode of our law series, we're focusing on a branch of law that directly affects millions of workers and employers worldwide: labor and employment law. You can explore the full law playlist by clicking the link in the video description below. Have you ever wondered what rights protect you at work? What laws ensure fair wages, safe working conditions, and protection from unfair dismissal? Or how labor unions and workplace regulations influence your daily job? These questions are answered by labor and employment law, the rules that govern the relationship between employers, employees, and unions. What is labor and employment law? Labor and employment law regulates the rights and obligations within the workplace. It covers issues such as employment contracts, minimum wages and working hours, workplace safety and health regulations, anti-discrimination laws, collective bargaining and union rights, termination and wrongful dismissal procedures, benefits like leave, pensions, and Social Security. Its goal is to balance power between employers and employees, ensuring fair treatment and productivity. Historical background. Labor law has its roots in the Industrial Revolution, when harsh working conditions and exploitation led to demands for reform. From early factory laws to the rise of labor unions, governments introduced laws to protect workers' rights and promote fair labor standards. International bodies like the International Labor Organization, ILO, founded in 1919, set global labor standards that many countries adopt. Famous case study: National Labor Relations Board v. Jones and Laughlin Steel Corp., USA, 1937. This landmark U.S. Supreme Court case upheld the National Labor Relations Act, affirming workers' rights to unionize and bargain collectively. It marked a turning point by legally protecting labor unions and recognizing the importance of collective worker rights. This decision shaped modern labor relations and empowered millions of workers. Why labor and employment law matters today. In a fast-changing world of gig economy, remote work, and automation, labor law is evolving to address new challenges. It protects your right to safe and fair work environments, protection against discrimination and harassment, fair wages and benefits, rights for freelancers, contractors, and temporary workers. Understanding labor law helps workers and employers navigate complex workplace issues and create balanced, respectful work cultures. What's next? Whether you're a student, employee, employer, or policymaker, knowing labor and employment law is essential for fairness and justice at work. In upcoming videos, we'll explore workplace discrimination law, employee rights, labor unions, and emerging trends in employment law. You're watching the Learning Studio, and this is the Law Series, your guide to the laws that impact life and work.